In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a report to a different folder in Salesforce. Let's get started right from your Salesforce home screen. First, log in to your Salesforce account so you're in the correct org and ready to make changes. Once you're in, look for the app launcher, the grid icon usually at the top left of the interface. Click it, then choose Reports. This takes you to the Reports home where you manage and organize the reports you have access to. On the Reports page, select All Reports. This view shows the full list of reports available to you based on your permissions and folder access. It's a convenient way to see everything in one place, especially if the report was created in a different folder or by another team member. Take a moment to locate the specific report you want to move. When you've found it, look to the right side of that report's row. You'll see a small drop-down arrow or More Actions icon. Click that to open the options and choose Move. If you don't see Move, or if it appears disabled, that's typically a permissions issue. You need edit access to both the source folder, where the report currently lives, and the destination folder, where you want it to go. Without edit access to both, Salesforce won't allow the move. If that happens, check with your Salesforce admin or the folder owner to adjust permissions. After clicking Move, a dialog box appears prompting you to select the destination folder. Browse to the folder where this report should reside, such as a team folder or a department-specific folder. Keep in mind that only folders you can edit will be available as valid destinations. This move only changes where the report is stored. It doesn't alter the report's contents or the underlying data. Once you've picked the correct folder, click Move to confirm. The change is immediate, and the report is now organized in its new location. If you ever need to adjust where it lives again, you can repeat the same process to move it to a different folder. That's all there is to it. Log in, open Reports from the app launcher, go to All Reports, use the drop-down next to your report to choose Move, select the destination folder, and confirm. And remember, having edit access to both the current and target folders is essential for the Move option to be available. This simple cleanup step helps keep your reporting workspace organized and makes it easier for the right people to find exactly what they need.